Hello and welcome back to Baking by Leah. This week I'm going to be making fruit and fibre overnight pots. In my bowl I have grated 1 apple. I'm now going to add some lemon juice to stop it from going brown. I'm now going to take a resealable bag and add in my fruit and fibre flakes, let all the air out and seal the bag, and now smash them up into small chunks using a rolling pin. I'm now going to pour my cereal into my bowl. Add in my grated apple. Apple juice. Milk. And yogurt. I'm now going to cover with cling film and leave in the fridge overnight. I'm now going to finish my yogurt pots. I'm going to take my oats that I left overnight and place it in the bottom of my cup. I'm now going to add some Greek yogurt, and finally I'm going to decorate them with fruit. You can use any fruit of your choice. If you would like, you can drizzle some honey over the top to give it a little bit of sweetness. Thank you for watching this week's YouTube video. I hope you enjoyed it.